Dahan-dahan. Sila po ay pinoprovide ng pagkain. Katulad po ngayon, meron po kaming gamot na para sa baha, vitamins po para sa mga bata. Tapos, yung pagkain po nila ay supported naman po.
Yung mga project nila tungkol sa flood control, sana ayusin na nila para wala nang maraming buhay na na madamay.
Syempre habagat yun. Mahirap na po magstay sa bahay namin gawa ng katabi po kasi namin yung sheet pile na natumba po nung bagyong Karina pa po. Kaya sa tuwing umuulan po talaga sir, lagi po kami nag-evacuate. Kasi mahirap na po sir kung kailan mataas na po yung baha tsaka pa mag-evacuate. Kaya hanggang kagahapon po nasa hita ko na po nung nag-evacuate po kami.
我现在是在浙江台州玉环市，登陆之后，现场的风依然是非常大。大家可以看到，我后边就是东海，现在可以看到浪依然是非常的大。
登陆时，台风中心最大风力达14级，为强台风级。 浙江玉环风雨猛烈，海浪冲上堤岸，部分沿海房屋受到冲击。当地提前采取交通管控措施，确保人员安全，落实物资储备、人员配备及后勤保障工作。同时，上海启动人员转移安置工作。目前各安置点也风雨天气，城区部分低洼区域出现积水倒灌险情。救援人员全力投入排涝抢险工作。上海从今天早晨开始出现大范围。
体验感特别强。我刚刚在那个江边的时候，直接是人被风刮着走的。
所以你感觉有点害怕吗？有点
是有一点，可能体重比较胖，如果不胖的话，已经被台风刮走了。
我不想出来的，我们是滞留在这里的。我们是前天晚上在浦东机场，然后呢，昨天在迪士尼，然后今天是航班取消的。我们是土生土长的海边人，台风对我们是家常便饭的。然后这边的话也还好吧，就说来上海这个台风，就可能对我们广东人而言，就像吃饭吹风这样子，很正常的日常。
所以你觉得今天的台风不是很强吗？
对于我们而言不是很强，可能对于上海这边可能会有点大。
没办法了，这个台风来有啥办法？只是我没想到上海都有台风这么，对吧？我还不想相信上海有台风呢。好吧。
1-0, liftoff. Liftoff.
Every day, history unfolds.
Chance to change the lives of millions of people for the better. That's what I came into politics.
A decision is made. A question is asked. A protest begins. A missile is launched. A treaty is signed.
Change the political structures in this country for a long time to come. It is deeply humbling.
A vote is counted. The world changes.
We will have to raise our voices.
We oppose violence. Hate, it is not a solution. We demand accountability from the government.
Are we ready?
But before the headlines, before the debates, before the opinions, there is the moment itself. The words that were spoken.
By 2008, we knew that Epstein was a convicted sexual abuser. How was that not a deal breaker for the president?
If you, Congresswoman, asked Bill Clinton that.
The people who lived it. The images that tell the story. Because the closer you are to the event, the closer you are to the truth. At APT, we believe news should begin where history happens, not where the arguments begin.
Or do you want to go there?
That's why we bring you the moments that matter. Accurate, powerful, timely, so you can see more, understand more, and decide for yourself. Accurate, powerful, timely,